Metal guys. All right, we're gonna do a muscle car race, sort of, right?
Yes. Other Dave would disagree.
I'm in the 69 Roadrunner. Kurt is in his 69 Dodge Daytona, and Dave is in his 76 Ford Capri, Group 5 car. So here we go.
Is that 12 then?
Hopefully this is right, you guys.
2,
Yeah. Sorry about the problems.
go.
Joe Walsh.
Okay, all the fuel looks good. I think we got a good race going. Ford. I want you, Ford. Maybe Ford.
You got that one?
Hold on.
Now I'm wrecking really bad around that corner. I need to tighten up. Bad.
Ah. Thank you.
Look at him, just continue going.
It's almost like the
I
car.
didn't see it wreck. I was looking at my car, sorry.
It's almost like the car goes slow and then all of a sudden we'll have a power surge. I don't know.
Good carpenter doesn't blame his tools.
I drove that car does not power surge. I drove it last night.
Toss aside.
I need to practice with this.
I need fuel.
We do need to get you full gauge tires.
I do need fuel too.
I will get you those ordered when I order your chip.
Okay, thank you.
Oh.
Those are only $5, so that's easy.
That's
Oh
unfortunate.
no. Say it isn't so.
Something's out of fuel.
Darn it. That's gonna cost me this race.
Oh!
Yeah, that Capri blistered fast.
It's a short wheelbase.
Yeah,
That's part of it.
Alright, all I'm doing is just wrecking.
Kurt, stop.
I'm getting annoyed.
That's
I need
fine.
to chill.
Yes, you do.
I'm in a dead spot, please.
Well, I might help you.
Thank you.
Now Kurt's in a dead spot. It's all them wonderful name changers. Come for you, Superbird. That one ain't shit.
No, it ain't. Actually, it's the driver. Every time.
Step aside.
I need gas.
Yeah, quickly.
Oh, sorry, Todd.
Oh, snap.
Sorry,
No,
man.
it's all right.
I need gas, get out of the way.
Man, Kurt.
I lost my concentration.
Jesus. Hit somebody in the pits. It's 5 seconds. Good Lord. You sit in there, mister.
Okay, 1, 2.
That's good.
Yeah, gas.
What happened? Oh. Sorry. I was looking at the screen. I'll put you a little ahead.
Alright, well, thank you. I could use every little bit of help I could get.
That's like a whole
Track girl, help
It's like a
you.
whole
I have
lap.
to whip out on the same spot.
Here's half a lap.
That was like a whole lap.
Calm down. It was not.
It's okay.
I gotta keep an eye on this orange car. It always wrecks.
It does.
Wow.
It has been wrecking an awful lot.
Just for the gold, Danny.
Escape's trying to knock me off.
Oh, he did. You scumbag.
Got him.
Don't put. There you go. Good.
Oh, you're ahead of me. Dirty dog.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, that corner has got my number.
Now finish your race, Kurt.
Huh?
Finish your race.
No, it's not. I'm not even competitive.
That fuel killed
There we
me.
go.
Alright.
Yeah, that fuel thing did miss show.
Big trickle.
Good
bring it up
race,
the
guys.
Yeah, very good race.
It was